eat.
Yeah?
Don't eat. Don't eat.
Don't eat?
Don't. Oh.
What's wrong?
But.
Oh, yeah?
But.
You want me to see? Turn around. She's got a new dress on today, and she just loves it. It's so pretty. She said, "Wow, Mom, cute."
Mom. Mom.
Let me see.
But. 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 But.
What?
But. No.
Off?
Yeah.
You don't like it? Is it uncomfortable? What's wrong? Is there something poking you, or
Look.
where?
Look. Look.
Right there?
Yeah.
Let me see. There's your tag. Do you want me to take the tags off?
Yeah.
Is this back like this right here? Is this bothering you?
Yeah.
Should I take them off?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go take them off. You notice how kids are so easily entertained that they can watch the same thing over and over and over again for months, even. Ever since we moved out here, I gotta tell you, and I am quite frankly finding a complete dislike for the show Dinosaurs, because ever since we moved out here, we've been watching those.
Baby.
No, we're not watching any more dinosaurs. I told you. You either get the computer or the TV. You pick the computer.
Baby.
I can't. I don't care. Mom is tired of it.
Elmo. Annie.
Elmo, you watch Elmo.
Annie.
Okay. See, she's driving me crazy.
Annie.
Ernie?
Yeah.
See, it's not a bad thing to change the movie every once in a while. She's so cute, all wrapped up in her blankie. Hi.
Bring me.
Blankie. Are you all cuddly wuddly warm?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you walk around? Oh.
Anna.
What are you doing?
Living at home and cheap as ever. Throwing quarters around like they were manhole covers. As for me, despite the fact that I was faced with Reed, was a pretty good writer too.
You get all tangled up in it.
School was a way out of the neighborhood, the chance to be something. I figured with my natural ability to bullshit and
What?
total lack of conscience,
What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong?
to buy a big house in Westchester.
Do you want me to wrap you up again?
Yeah.
You want to be able to spin around?
Yeah.
You're going to need a cape, not a blanket. Maybe a smaller blanket. Go get one of your blankets and you can spin around. You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Is that one going to work?
Yeah.
You going to wrap up and spin in it? Ooh, look at you. You're too silly. Oh no. Died?
Yeah.
Oh crap.
Yeah.
Get up.
Yeah.
Whoop.
Nanny.
You're welcome, sugar. Stop crying over every little thing. There, little cutie pie. Spin around, spin around. Okay. You're crabby today. I think it's nappy time. Why? You sure act like it's nappy time.
No.
Then get up there. Go ahead. Oh, okay. I won't let my blanket touch you. I'm so sorry. Hey, chill. I'm not sure what that means, but Oh my goodness. Don't worry, I moved. I moved my butt. You... Party, party, party. Just so you know, she's watching some Fiesta thing on Sesame Street. And this is where it's coming from. Go, Savannah! Yeah? You having a party? Yeah? Okay, Will's in the bus?
Yeah.
Okay.